Today, I'm gonna take you to tour to my newborn photography studio. So first, when you enter the studio, here is the living room, which is for the family to stay in, the mother, the father, their kids, while I perform the newborn photography session. And the most beautiful thing that I have put in the studio is these sofas where mom and father can rest and sleep while I am taking photos for their newborn baby. Always I think about the comfort of my customers because newborn photo sessions are typically long and newborn photography is done. This is hard to close. Okay. Newborn photo sessions usually takes place in the first 2 weeks of the baby's life. Let's sit down here. So usually newborn photo sessions takes place in the first 2 weeks in the life of the baby. So this period is sensitive for the mother since she recently had birth and she's suffering from pain from the birth, and also she lacks a lot of sleep. So that's why it's important to take care of the comfort of the mother while she is in the newborn photo session. If she was comfortable enough, I will have plenty of time to photograph her baby and deliver a better work for her. Let me take you to the next part. So here I have the museum of the products that I show the mother during the photo session to select from. The prints, the products, and everything. And here is the beautiful mirror for mothers when they are having photo shoots of them with their family. It's important to have a mirror for the mother to see herself, and not only I don't only deliver family sessions for newborn, also for pregnancy. So pregnant ladies will also love to see themselves. And here is the changing area for the newborn. Let me show you my favorite table. So when I was looking for a table for changing, I wanted something that's practical and doesn't take a lot of space. You know, some changing tables are long and they are fixed like this. So I was looking for something foldable. I have found this changing table in IKEA. So I loved it so much and I couldn't resist but take it. And yeah, forgot something. The breastfeeding pillow for mommies. If you like the first part of my studio, subscribe to my channel. And if you don't, just subscribe because all what I explain is newborn photography. And if you are a newborn photographer, you are excited about the second part, so don't miss it. Now I will show you all my props and my setup for newborn photography. So here is the second part of the studio where the newborn photo session takes place. Let's start by showing you the posing bean or the bean bag. So for the bean bag, I have this posing table. It is from Arte Brazil. I used to have another one I will show you. I used to have this bean bag before having the table or the stand, whatever you call it. Some people call it newborn posing table. Some people call it newborn beanbag posing system, whatever you call it. I just call it a bean bag. So I used to have that bean bag, but I changed to this one. If you want, I can make a full episode about the advantages and disadvantages of the previous model of beanbag, how you can benefit from changing to the new beanbag. So if you would like me to make that video, leave a comment below and I will make sure to make that video for you. Now, after the beanbag, we have here my background. In my background, I can put multiple props, and then during the photo session, I just move out the one that I'm not using currently and just leave the one that I'm posing the baby in. And after, when I finish from it, I change to the other one. And if I want to have multiple variations and multiple backgrounds, I can use other backgrounds that I have in the studio. So usually before photo sessions, I prepare all my backgrounds, my props. I put them ready for the upcoming baby. So here I was preparing for the next baby boy. Here is in cream color. Here is in light blue or sage. I don't know what's this color name. Some colors I miss the names. And here is in teal and brown and light blue, and finally on the light blue also on the posing bean, and also the lifestyle basket where I shoot the baby using natural sunlight. And now moving to the most exciting part for all newborn photographers out there, my props shelves. Yay! So for this shelf system, it's from IKEA. I have painted it in dark brown because I wanted to match my furniture in my new studio. So yeah, some people don't recognize it, but it is the one from IKEA. Here I have my beautiful, cute collection of newborn photography toys. This shelf is my daughter's favorite. She loves to come and help me arrange these toys. They are so cute. Pink bear, bunny, a lot of bunnies. I have a lot of bunnies. I love bunnies so much, and I can't resist any type of bunny. So here is a bunny, and here is a bunny, and here is another form of bunny, and here is a bunny, another bunny. I believe I have one more, yeah. And here is another bunny. They are all cute bunnies, and a lot of bears. Ooh, so cute. A unicorn, squirrel. I can't wait to photograph babies with all of these cuties. And here I have a big collection of my headbands and matching something. Some of them are sets, matchy. So this one goes with this one, yeah. Some of them are matching. And here I have a big collection of headbands that I didn't arrange yet. I have arranged most of them here in these stands, but they were not enough for all of my headbands. So most of them are here and here. And down here I have my fabrics for the bean bag. I have a lot of colors. Some colors have not been lucky to be chosen by mothers. So still waiting for someone to choose them. And here in these baskets, I keep all my wraps. I collect them into nests like this and put them inside the baskets. I'm very happy how this shelves system contained all my props, except of some few out there, like the 1-year-old chair. Yeah, it's expected to not fit in the shelf system, but I'm so happy how this turned. And now, let me show you the view from my window. Isn't that amazing?